Till now I have explained 19 problem, and further I will start from the problem number 20. Problem number 20, it says if x is equal to 2 upon root 10 minus root 18, so y is equal to 2 upon root 10 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. Then find x minus y whole square. What is the value of that? Now you have to simplify this. You can understand by seeing the value. It cannot be solved like that. So x, if I take 2, I have to eliminate the denominator from third. So if I want to make a third free denominator, it will be multiplied with the similar one. So it will be multiplied with this one, and the bottom, if I take the opposite sign, so it will be 18 minus 10. So ultimately it will become 8, means 4 will come bottom, and here it is 9 root 3, that means 3 root 2, 9 into 2, so 3 will come out, and here it is root 10. The root 10 is a pure side, cannot be eliminated. Now it is 4 the bottom. Okay, now if I take y to eliminate the side from the bottom, it will be something 2 root 2 whole square, that means 8. Root 10 is higher, so here root 10 minus 2 root 2 all be multiplied with numerator and denominator, and it will become, and so this will give you root 10 minus 2 root 2 upon 2 will be there, so 1. It will not remain anything there. Sorry, it is not 18, it is given 8. Sorry, then it will be reverse. It will be reverse, root 10 minus root 8. So it will be 10 minus 8, and the whole thing changes. So it will be 2 cancel root 10 minus root 8. Okay, now x minus y is equal to what? This will be root 10 minus root 8, and there the thing will change, minus root 10 plus 2 root 2. Now 2 root 2 and this one is same, so I can cancel it out, and so nothing will remain, because this also cancel x minus y. So x minus y is equal to 0. If you take the whole square, it will be 0 square, that means 0. So your answer will be 0. Okay. Now coming to the next problem. 21. It says under root of 1 plus 2008 1 plus 2009 1 plus 2010 1 plus 2011 cross 2013. So I have to solve it. Okay, so how can I do it? Let's see. So in this kind of problem, I always said you just keep solving from the inside, the lowest bracket inside the all lowest side inside the all sides. So you have to bring from the inner one. So this is the inner one of all sides. Unless until you do calculate from this side, you cannot reach from there. So you have to think somewhere that you have to simplify the things. So you have to keep on thinking from the inner bracket. So I will keep the other things same, and I will try to reach the inner one such a way so that I can and my target has to be to remove the inner surds first. So if I do this, if I write it like that, 2010 plus 1, I will take the average. 2012 plus 1 is 2013, and 2012 minus 1, it will give you 2011. So this is one of the trick that will eliminate the bracket. How? Because a plus b, a minus b, it will give you a square minus b square is equal to 1. So I don't want to write it again and again. Rather, I want to go to the last where I started calculating the terms. So this will be 2 square minus 1 square. Okay, now if I do like that, it will become 1 plus, I will not calculate this one, rather I will keep it. So you can see this one will be cancelled out. So in next step, if I take all the term as it is, so this will give you 1 cancel, the only under root, this will be this term only. So and the outside, if I take the next bracket, it will be something like 210 into 212. Now see, this is the same position that I've got inside this surd. So this has created the next surd in this condition. After calculating, after removing this first surd, it has come to the next in the similar position, where you can see the difference between the number is 2. The difference between the number is 2 is 1 plus. So from the next bracket, if I straightway say, that this will become, for this term, it will be 1 plus 2008, 1 plus 2009, and after calculating this, it will be something like, with 2009 it will come, this is 11 plus 1, 11 minus 1, so 2011. Now see, the term is having difference of 2. So if it continues like that, the term I will get with 2009, 2008, it will be something like 2010, isn't it? Because 9 is 2010 minus 1, 11, 2010 minus 10 plus 1. So ultimately, after calculating this is having 2 difference, this will be 2009 will be your answer. Understand? So this is a 21. Next come to the 22. So it says root of 10 plus root of 25 plus root of 108 plus root of 154 plus root of 225. This is a very easy one. In this problem also I will come from the inner one. So if I take the term, okay, now last term, if I remove this one, I will get 54 plus 25, that means 15 is the square root of that. Now if we add up this one, the next I will get with the 108, this is 169, that means 13 I will get. Okay, the same. Now this, then plus with root of 25 I will get, this is together how much it is, this is 13 and this is 121, that means 11 will come. So in the next one, the 10, how much it is, 36 means 6, then it is 16, that means 4, your answer. Okay. Next one is 22. cube root of 4, 12, 125. This is nothing. You have to bring the things as it is to calculate the thing. Have to bring it to a fraction instead of a mixed fraction. I have to bring it in a fraction form. Okay. 125 into 4, that means is equal to 512. Now this both are having a perfect cube. This is nothing but what 8 cube, I suppose. 8 into 8, 64 into 8. Yes, this is 8 cube and this one is 5 cube. So if you take the cube root, it will come down. So this will be your answer. Okay. The next one, the last one for this class, is 3a is equal to 4b is equal to 6c, and a plus b plus c equal to 27 root 29. So you have to find under root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. Now as you can see, these are three variables, and these variables are related this. So if I want to convert it into one variable or one variable, so if I take these all are equal to k, because all are same. So accordingly, a will be k by 3, b is equal to k by 4, and c is equal to k by 6. So this variable that depends on the k is a constant, means similar for similarly related for a, b, c. So then a plus b plus c, if I put the value k upon 3, k upon 4, k upon 6, 29 upon 27 root 23. So k, if I take the LCM, that 3, 4 and 16, it will be what? 12, I suppose. 1, 4, 2, then 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, and 2. Yes, 12. So 12. So k will be outside 4 plus 3 plus 2 will be 29 upon 27, 29. The k is equal to 12 upon 7, 9 into 27, 29, 3, 36, 29 k value. So k value is 36, 29. Remember this, k is 36, 29. Okay. Now if k is that one, so a value is 12, 29, b is 9, 29, c is 229. So if I square up this, so all 29 will be squared up there. So this will bring outside as 29, and the inside there will be 12 square plus 9 square plus 2 square. So 29 will be outside, and this becomes 12 square 144, 9 square 91, 2 square 4. So all together it is 9, 229. 229, whether it is a perfect square, I don't think so. So let me check the calculation first. This is 229. Yes, it's not a perfect, so this is your answer, 229. Okay. So this ends for today's session, and the next, this is up to 23 years old. So another 27 number of problem I will bring you for onset. But for today it is I'm ending this class. So kindly subscribe and follow my classes. Thank you.